questions to this panel. Yeah, Shivram.
As a retail store, we have a particular budget to invest in. With the gold rate going up, what is it that you, as representatives of the gold jewelry fraternity, doing to get a share of our wallets?
Calcutta water, Calcutta polishing and other things, it makes very different, and people love Calcutta jewelry only due to its craftsmanship. That is why it has got the upper hand, sir.
Like in Calcutta jewelry, the best thing is कि आप अपने कस्टमर से भी प्रीमियम इजीली चार्ज कर सकते हैं, because the best part is कि आप कोई भी एक चीज़ वापस सेकंड ऑर्डर भी ले तो नहीं बना पाएंगे, इनफैक्ट हम लोग ही नहीं बना पाएंगे. आज उस प्रीमियम को अगर आपको इनकैश करना है, देन कैलकटा हैंडमेड ज्वेलरी इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग टू बी प्रमोटेड इन द वर्ल्ड. और कोई भी फ्यूजन ज्वेलरी, आप जड़ाओं को डायमंड्स के साथ मिला दें, गोल्ड को 22 कैरेट को 18 कैरेट के साथ मिला दें, एनी काइंड ऑफ फ्यूजन ज्वेलरी इज़ पॉसिबल इन हैंडमेड, जो अभी भी मशीन से इतना अच्छा मैच करके अब हम लोग नहीं बना पा रहे हैं.
At a Karigar level, right? What technological innovations you are doing? Like what he correctly said, it's heavier, right? So compare it, let's say, with the Kerala jewelry.
What is the basic difference between the Kerala jewelry and the Calcutta jewelry is the Kerala jewelers, they use more of dye work, and the Calcutta work is completely handmade. What we have tried in last 10 years is to mix some dye works in our work, but if you completely copy the Kerala work, the Calcutta flavor will be gone away. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया में, पर्टिकुलरली लाइक तनीस एंड रिलायंस, जिनके मल्टीपल स्टोर्स हैं, वहाँ पर कलकत्ता ज्वेलरी को आप कलकत्ता ज्वेलरी बोल करके बेचे, भले थोड़ी भारी है, कोई बात नहीं.
आपका जो आइडिया कि ऐसा कोलकाता ज्वेलरी बेचना चाहिए विद द टैग सेइंग इनक्रेडिबल कोलकाता, ऐसा कुछ?
डेफिनेटली ये चीज है कि भाई ठीक है, इनक्रेडिबल कोलकाता की ज्वेलरी ये वर्ल्ड वाइड बिकती है. आप शोरूम के अंदर में कहीं दुबई में जाइए, वो बोलते हैं कि भाई ठीक है, कलकत्ता ज्वेलरी.
बहुत बढ़िया पॉइंट है.
Integrated corner in the showroom should be called the Kolkata jewelry.
Branding of Kolkata jewelry as a corner in every Tanish showroom.
And you are a merchandiser yourself. Yeah. So why don't you pass some knowledge to all your stores, explaining them the quality of Kolkata jewelry? Yeah. So coming back to answering his question, I think bigger help will be you than us to promote Kolkata jewelry.
Yeah,
right?
Mr. Prasanna, you want to say something?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. I'm not comparing a premium brand customer, okay? For a mass customer who is coming to the stores, he just come and buy, ask for necklace, कितना ग्राम है? 40 ग्राम का मिलेगा, 30 ग्राम का मिलेगा. Even though you like the design, immediately you'll ask, ये डिज़ाइन मेरे को पसंद है, ये 10-15 ग्राम कम कर सकता है? So that answer to be given by the sales staff to the customer saying that yes, कर सकता है.
No, but what we are saying is, I think the idea of Bajaj, if you can just discuss a little bit more on the need of selling at Kolkata jewelry as Kolkata jewelry. If you look at Italian jewelry, you know how globally, if you go to Dubai, they sell it as Italian jewelry. Suppose something like this, this idea of Kolkata jewelry, because that's why we are here. For us to take this initiative is to promote Kolkata, and I think this is one of the good ideas which has come out, and we'll have Shivram, we have Prasanna, we have Subhasji, the first movers or first change makers of this industry, of this Kolkata jewelry. Yeah, you want to ask some question? Yeah.
Is it possible to reduce the manufacturing time?
That's Mr. Pethe from Vamanhari Pethe from...
Yeah.
Calcutta is basically making the handmade jewelry, and you cannot force the person who makes so fast. Like it's not machine. You just make the die and just finished product come out.
We also carry a lot of stock. So more often than not, we carry stocks. So in case of any urgencies, we are there to, service is there. But little more planning on supply chain management, this can be resolved. This is not a manufacturing, it's a process.
Thank you very much.
Vasupati Jewellers has been a leading manufacturer, wholesaler and exporter of ethnic, antique and traditional gold jewelry. Our product range includes pendant sets, kada, jhumka, waistband and much more. Incredible Kolkata presents Vasupati Jewellers.
Put your hands together for Mansukh Kothari of Vasupati Jewellers.
कस्टमर्स में राउंड डायमंड के साथ में जो बगड़ स्टेपर का जितना क्रेज बढ़ा है, उसके लिए कलकत्ता इज़ द बेस्ट मार्केट और मैं समित का बहुत आभारी हूँ कि उसने एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम सब कलकत्ता वासियों को जो एक्चुअल में हम लोग जो मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं और जो होलसेल करते हैं उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेकर आए। थैंक यू समित।
Incredible product, excellent fashion show. I think from a consumer point of view as buyers, I think you now see what all a Indian consumer is now spoiled for choice. More seriously, I think it's been incredibly educated. I think it's fantastic. I've been speaking to people. I said, listen, why would you have left a day of season ahead and still come? They're saying that, listen, we have come here to learn, and I think they have really learned. I have personally learned a lot, and it's been a great one day. Thank you. And
हाथ से बनी हुई ज्वेलरी कलकत्ता में इतनी बढ़िया बनती है और हर आदमी इसको बहुत शान से बहुत ही इच्छा से पसंद करता है और मैं चाहूँगा कि ऐसे शो कलकत्ता में हो।
हम चाहते हैं ऐसे इवेंट बार बार होते रहे जिससे सब कलकत्ता को पहचान मिले और यहाँ ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री को नई ऊंचाइयाँ मिले।
रोहित भाई, दक्षेश भाई, कैसा रहा सफर गुजरात से लेके कलकत्ता तक?
इंटरेक्शन में बहुत कुछ जानकारी भी अपने को मिली है।
ट्रिप्स रिटेल ज्वेलर्स के लिए है, वो भी जानने को अच्छा मिला है।
Learn from all the speakers who had taken part, and it was a very nice session. And also the fashion show was really very good.
I think this show has been more than what I'd expected it to be, and it was a good platform for networking also, and of course business, buyer seller meet. So it's been really good.
So it's been worth your while coming to Calcutta?
Absolutely, 100%.